Meaning of epitome.
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 Epitome. Epitome refers to a summary or representation of something, often used to describe a person or thing that embodies the essential features of a particular quality or type. Essentially, an epitome is the perfect example or embodiment of something. It captures the essence of what it represents in a concise and accurate manner. The term is often used to describe individuals who embody certain traits or characteristics, but can also refer to distilled summaries or abstracts of larger works. In short, an epitome is a condensed representation of the most important elements of something.